I know, I know, weightless, with no patience. I'm wrong, I'm wrong.
Oh my God, look at those waves.
I don't remember my home, my home. Have you given nothing? I know.
That one on the back is so sweet. Hello.
Hello.
I can't believe this. It's actually like it's got to be one of the most beautiful views I've ever seen.
A space within your own, your own.
We spotted our first koala. So cute.
Cool, yeah. Cockatoo.
Found him. It's beautiful here. Got those yellow flowers. So this is our cute little eco cabin that we've been staying in. I'll do a little house tour. So there's this lovely deck. You can sit and have breakfast in the morning, look out for koalas. And yeah, it's just really simple, but really cute. Everything's run through solar power. Yeah, and there's lovely views out the windows. And it's super close to a beautiful beach. So yeah, that's just like a double bed, bunk beds in there. And the bathroom's in here. We let in a load of flies, so it's pretty noisy. And the shower. But yeah, it's just really nice and bright and breezy. I really like this sort of wooden fan. That's cool, I reckon. Yeah, such a beautiful view.